Hello, Namaskar, and welcome. Let's begin today's session. So, first tool that I'm going to show you today is Projex AI.
AI-based project reports in minutes.
What Projex AI is? Like, we have to generate certain kind of project reports for a business, pitch decks for a startup. While a client wants a loan from bank, they ask for a project report. So, what tool I am going to demonstrate is an AI based tool that can generate your detailed project report with just a few information about the client company. So let me open that tool. We are going to learn that tool now, that how it works and how you can use that tool. So let me go to the domain. So the domain of the tool is projectsai.online. So I have also mentioned the domain in chat section. I am also sharing the screen meanwhile. So let me share my screen. Yes. Okay. So my screen is visible. Kindly once write in chat section. Screen is visible. Okay, done. So this is the domain, that is projectsai.online. So what you can do with this projectsai.online, you can build professional detailed project reports for bank loans, for startup pitch decks, or for journal purpose. So you need to just go on this web domain, and on this web domain you can create project reports online. For a free trial, one project report is free on this tool. And what great thing is that it is our homegrown tool. The tool is made by BizGyan AI team. So I'm going to demonstrate it and start today's session with Projects AI. So firstly, to use this tool, I will write my login ID here and login here. So just after login, what you will see that my plan has already been activated. There are three options to create a project report for a business or startup, for new venture, startup, business expansion project, or for a bank loan requirement. DPR is required for government or a private bank loan, or for a journal purpose like flexible format for any type of project documentation. For journal purpose I can create. So to save the time, I have already created a project report, a sample project report you can say. So I am showing you that how it is. So like, I just need to click here and enter the project name and click for what purpose I require. So I've created a project report for a bank loan. So after creating the project report, this is how first window will come. Firstly, it asks me about the project details. I just need to write about project name, promoter, company name, logo of the company, location, just the basic details of the company, entity type, PAN, SIN, GST number, Udyam, DPAIIT, startup registration, and just write a certain lines about the company, and I can click on generate with AI. It's automatically generate the details of the company. After it, project description is generated. I have to just tell in few lines that what company does, and I have to click on regenerate with AI. It automatically converts and generates the whole paragraph. Project objectives. So this basic information is generated by AI. Just a certain information I have to give. Certain information I can give here also, and sector and industry I have to mention. AI will do the rest of the thing, and you can read it. So let me once go through the full features, then I will show you how beautifully PDF report is generated. After project overview, I click on market analysis. Here I have to write target market, my geography, product service, that what is the product or service, and then automatically AI will generate this market size, volume, growth trends, competitive landscape, demand supply analysis. Everything will be generated by AI. Just I need to click on this AI research button. AI will function and you will see it will generate everything. So I have once again regenerated it. So see, research completed. It has already tell me the market size, growth trend, competitor landscape, demand analysis. Here it is showing me the current market size, projected size, units in crores. So I have just taken the, you can say, sample data to show you that how it works. So market size, projected, R capture, CAGR, demand versus supply. Some kind of charts are also being made. So this is the market analysis. Now coming to the technical analysis, this is also done by AI. Just I have entered the details in project overview. I will click on AI research. It will automatically generate the product, process, technology, equipment, raw material, supplier, capacity, place. Means everything of basic detail that is required in project report will be generated. After it, you can see the organizational plan, promoter detail, list of directors, shareholding pattern, organizational chart, manpower and key staff, and here the management team and what is the structure. It will generate that thing also. So this is basically the organizational plan. So till now, these were the basic thing. Now come the main area of project report, that is financial analysis, the main area of project report. Firstly, you can see here we have made the project cost background. Already so many kind of uh, pre-defined heads are there, like land and site development, building cost, plant machinery. Just I need to click here and a tab will be edited. Just add the value that how many cost will be spent in the certain sector. So already I have pre-selected and made some kind of assumptions. So this is my project cost background. Here I will enter the means of finance. What is my promoter equity contribution, term loan, working capital, any amount for subsidy or grants or unsecured loan. So total funding 50 lakh, project cost this is balanced. Then comes the revenue projections, like how I will make revenue. So just I need to enter the stream and annual amount and enter the growth percentage here. Like I am making the project report for 5 years, so year on year growth it will automatically do. Earlier what we used to do, we used to make in an Excel file that for first year we projected and then we applied certain formulas. But here I only need to enter the growth and the growth assumptions, even that on what basis I am taking this growth amount is generated by AI. Here revenue assumptions are coming, that how this growth percentage has been generated. Like see, I have taken sale of AI tool as 24 lakh in a year and growth rate at 50%. So it shows me that growth is conservative yet reflects sector trends, like AI is in the boost. So that's why we have projected 50% year on year growth. So the assumptions behind this growth rate that is required in the bank report, project report is also given here. This is the revenue assumptions. Then comes the cost and expense projections. So certain kind of heads are again given here. So I just need to select here and add the amount. So it will tell me the fixed cost, variable cost, semi-variable cost, total operating cost. Here, the average parameters I have to set: depreciation rate, what is the prevailing tax rate in the economy, interest rate, loan tenure, and projection years. So this basic data only I have to give. After giving this data, what magic it can do, I will show you. After that, see this, it has done the debt equity analysis. What is the project promoter stake, long term risk, working weighted average cost of capital, funding mix, long and short term classification. It has also done here, I will show you the weighted average calculation and the interpretation, that what is the debt equity, promoter contribution. So capital structure has been created. After that, there is a tab working capital. Here I have to add data regarding my inventories, debtor and creditors. So once I add data regarding inventory, debtors, creditors, cash margin, it will automatically calculate the working capital cycle, and after that it will give me a detailed calculation automatically of the complete net working capital required. See, it has taken revenue from my data I have provided earlier, COGS, credit purchase. A complete calculation of the net working capital has been provided to me. After that, there is one concept, that is maximum permissible bank finance, that is recommended by Tandon committee. So see, it is also calculating according to the both method that Tandon committee has prescribed. Based upon that, 75% of overall current asset minus current liability, or 75% of current asset minus current liability. So by both method, it is also showing this is the standard method. By both method, it has calculated the maximum permissible bank finance. See here. After it, there is usually a question on drawing power calculation. So देखिए, here it has calculated DP calculation. Just by adding the data, it has taken the value of DP, sanction limit, effective drawable power. So I have just taken the some assumption values. So by this I am showing that it is calculating the debtor based DP, stock based DP. So as it is a service based business, no stock is there, so it is calculating on debtor basis. So this is DP calculation. So this was about working capital. After it, you will see it has calculated in kind of loan. What is debt service coverage ratio, annual EMI, total interest, complete amortization schedule has been ready. I just entered the loan amount, the rate of interest, and the EMI is calculated. Principal, interest, full amortization chart is prepared. Principal versus interest and a journal overview about that. So this is about loan. See this depreciation, I have to just add the assets, cost, and select the method and select the life of asset. Full depreciation chart year wise it has prepared. Only I have to add assets, cost, method, and rate with the life and useful value. Complete depreciation chart for 5 years it has prepared. After it, the break even analysis it has does. This is done the break even analysis. After it, you see all kind of ratios, liquidity ratios, profitability ratios has been automatically calculated. I didn't need to calculate any kind of ratios. Just by entering the data earlier, it has already taken the data from there and calculated the ratios required. So once I generate the PDF, you will see how balance it is organized. After that balance sheet, you can see the balance sheet has been generated. This is asset side, this is liability side. The balance sheet is tallied. So balance sheet has been automatically generated from the data provided at the back end. So this is the balance sheet. There is a concept of sensitivity analysis, that if there is an adverse change in revenue of 10% or a favorable change in the revenue of 10%, what will be the impact of NPV, means net present value. We study in advanced financial management or financial analysis the concept of sensitivity analysis. So this still is also doing the sensitivity analysis. Also there is a concept of scenario analysis. So what will be in the worst case, base case, best case. See, I have just provided the data. Every kind of analysis is done by AI. This is revenue sensitivity analysis. This is operating cost sensitivity analysis, interest rate sensitivity, so capital project sensitivity. Every kind of sensitivity based analysis, that is the change it has done. So this is sensitivity analysis. After this, see, this is my projected P&L statement. The revenue, I have taken the growth rate there, and for the 5 years it has prepared. I only gave the value for the first year. After it, I get the growth assumption. So based upon that, it has created the 5-year detailed projected P&L statement, revenue versus profit chart. After that, you see cash flow statement have also been prepared. After that, I will show you, this is the full AI based analysis. I will show you this in the PDF file when it is generated. So this was about the financial analysis. After it, you will see there are regulatory compliances, that is there are regulatory and compliance checklist. So it automatically based upon my business suggests that what are the regulatory or compliance requirement I have to fill. See, suppose it is showing me that in part of license you need this 5 license to operate business, like Punjab Shop Act registration, GST registration, company incorporation certificate, Udyam, Startup India. For permit, you need trade license, environmental license, these are required. Other approval, these licenses are required. So I just need to tick or untick which licenses are applicable to me or which are not applicable. AI is suggesting that uh, this 16 approval or regulatory compliances are required. So I need to select that which one is required me or which one is not applicable on me. I can select or deselect it. Like e-waste is not required to me, or this kind of registration is not required. So I will just select that 14 are required. So this 16 are suggested by AI, and I can cross tick or untick it. This is another feature that it is showing me, government scheme matcher. Like what are the government scheme benefit available to the company, available to the entity I have mentioned. So it is showing me PMEGP, that is Prime Minister Employment Generation Program. What are the benefits, eligibility, and how to apply. Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, CGT MSc, Startup India Program, MITI, Punjab State and Business Development Policy. These are the basic benefits available to my business, and how I can apply it is automatically showing me through AI in my project report. After it, it is doing a complete SWOT analysis. Like it is showing my strength, weakness, opportunities, threats, risk mitigation, the insurance requirement. So this is the risk analysis part. So after all this, my report is finally generated, and I now want to read it. I will click here on generate report. So this is my report generated. I just need to now go here and download PDF. I need to just click here on download Word or download PDF. Firstly, I will download in Word. So I have downloaded once in Word. While downloaded in PDF, it is also showing me the bank submission detail. These detail will appear on PDF cover and submission letter. Suppose I will write State Bank of India, branch name Zirakpur, branch address VIP Road. Here I will write the amount that is required by me, prepared by, like I will write okay. So I have filled the basic detail. Whole cover letter will be prepared. I will just click on generate PDF. So see, my PDF report has started generated. So I will meanwhile show you the Word report that it has generated. So PDF will come in graphical format and Word in text form. So see what it has generated. So see, my project report is ready. So my logo is here. Details of the project is here. Submission for credit facilities. A letter has been prepared by AI. After it, you can see a complete table of content has been prepared. And here you see the executive summary, project snapshot, project overview about the company, project description, project objectives, market analysis. Everything we prepared is generated in a complete report. This is organizational plan. This is whole financial analysis we did. Means of finance, revenue stream, project breakdown, revenue assumptions, PL projection, depreciation schedule C, cash flow projection, working capital assessment, loan repayment schedule, balance sheet, ratio analysis, current, quick, net margin, ROE, DSCR, debt, equity, asset turnover, bankability assessment is also being provided to show bank debt whether on which score it is passing, like DSCR, IRR, quick ratios. What is the rationale that comfortable DSCR, liquidity is little tight, is showing the bankability also, sensitivity analysis. Then after that you can see break even, AI based financial assessment showing me the strengths, industry benchmark, regulatory compliance checklist that I showed you, and licenses, permits, schemes that are beneficial, SWOT analysis, and government scheme matcher. So here is the annexure and declaration that which documents I have enclosed. A complete list of documents required to be enclosed is prepared. Whichever I have attached, I need to just tick and provide to the bank. So this was just the Word report. You see 34-page DPR has been generated by it. Meanwhile, the PDF is being generated. PDF takes a little time. So once PDF is generated, I will show you the PDF file also. So just waiting for the PDF file to generate. So meanwhile, PDF file is generating. How did you like the tool? How was the tool Projex AI? So just wait for PDF report to generate, and meanwhile, I'm showing you something. So see, this is one of the launch video we prepared. So we are launching it today only. So let's play this launch video.
AI-based project reports in minutes.
So through this tool, you can prepare your detailed project reports in just minutes. So Just wait. Just wait for a second. I'm showing you something. Just sending it. Yes. So meanwhile, kindly write it. Did you like the tool? How is the tool? Because it is an in-house grown tool, we want feedback from the professionals. So I am just showed you this tool, that how AI is transforming the way we used to work. And I've also just downloading the PDF file. So meanwhile it is downloaded. I have already downloaded it earlier. So just it will download in the backend, and I am showing you that how PDF generated report looks like. See this. This is the logo coming here, and see the beautiful designing and graphic work. This is detailed project report, BizGyan Private Limited, prepared for bank managers, submitted by. This is the submission letter, submission for credit facilities. Complete submission letter is ready, and table of contents is here. Here you will see complete project snapshot, financial highlights with detailed charts, pie charts, and bar graphs. Investment ask, debt equity ratio, tenure, promoter stake, why it is bankable and fundable. It is showing that why should bank fund it, what are the risks in it. Here you can see the project overview, Bisgan Private Limited, with logo also coming here. About the company, project description, objectives, market analysis, technical details. And I am going straight to the financial analysis part. See, here it is showing the project cost breakdown. Here it is means of finance. Here it is projected P&L statement for 5 years. So if we want to prepare this project report, it will take nearly an week, and then also this kind of designing or effectiveness will not be there. But this AI tool can help prepare project reports just in minutes with the basic data provided. This is the detailed cash flow provided in both the method. One is indirect method and one is direct method by ICI. So both kind of cash flow have been prepared. This is balance sheet that has been prepared for 5 years. Comparison and trends, depreciation schedule, year 1, year 2, for 5 years depreciation schedule has been prepared. After it you can see complete chart of 5 years. This is working capital assessment, complete net working capital, Tandon committee, maximum permissible bank finance, DP statement, that is drawing power. This is the repayment schedule. See this ratio analysis for liquidity ratios. For every 5 years, it has calculated the liquidity ratios and current ratio, quick ratio, cash ratio, profitability ratio, return ratio. See, I didn't calculated anything, but AI has calculated profitability ratios, return ratios, solvency ratios, efficiency and activity ratios, coverage ratios. Every kind of thing has been prepared. Here, sensitivity analysis is here, revenue sensitivity, complete sensitivity analysis, then AI powered financial assessment. This is the regulatory and compliance part. And here risk analysis again with the government scheme matcher now. This is the government schemes that are eligible. So this is an action and declaration. So this is the project report that this tool is generating. So now, so today only we will discuss when we are talking about Lex GPT. I will show you that thing. So how was this tool? This was all about Projex AI. You can create your project reports, and first project report is free on this tool. So you can definitely consider to use it and make the best out of it. So this was Projex AI.